Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're going to talk about something that a viewer has come to me about and was wondering on the Microsoft Edge browser. So, the Microsoft Edge browser, like Windows 10 and Windows 11, also has telemetry or diagnostics data, as they call it, sent to Microsoft. And there are two levels, just like in Windows. So if you go into the upper right corner, the three dots, and you go into settings, here, go into privacy search and services. Go down, and you'll see that required diagnostics data and optional diagnostics data are here. So if you use Edge, you are sending some minimum data, at least, to Microsoft. And it is meant for the purpose of seeing if it crashes, how it behaves, and to improve Microsoft Edge. And it's not a snooping technology. It's not checking what you're doing online. It's really just focusing on how well Microsoft Edge behaves depending on what you do and try to improve it. But of course, there'll be people out there that are, of course, not necessarily happy with that, want to lower the amount of data. Now, once again, like in Windows 10 and 11, there's no switch off. It's required or optional. And the difference is that the required is you can't do nothing about it. It's being sent out. The optional is where you can actually do something about it. But the question that we had from one of my viewers was, how come it's grayed out? I can't switch it. And it seems to be on. And it is on when you see that the slider is blue. Now, why can't you switch it? And it tells you right here that it's determined by your Windows Diagnostics data setting. That means right now it's on and it sends a lot more data. If I go to my Windows 10, and you can do the same in Windows 11, right click, go into settings, go into your privacy settings, diagnostics and feedback. Here, you will see optional or required. Now, let's say that I change this to required, which is the minimum amount of data that you can send. Once again, no on-off switch. If I go back into Edge, go back into the settings and the privacy search and services, you'll notice that when you go down, the required is there, but the optional is now turned off. So this switch goes with the same diagnostics data switch from Windows 10 and Windows 11. Meaning if you don't want to send too much data with Windows, switch in your settings to required only. And that will also mean Microsoft Edge will also send required only. What's the difference? Optional does send a lot more information, but it's mostly the fact that optional also can take snapshots of RAM or certain data when it crashes that might contain some personal information. It's not impossible. And they tell you that that could happen in some cases. So by doing required, what it does is that it will simply send the minimum data. And in there's nothing really compromising about anything you do, because it's really just data about how Windows and how Microsoft Edge behaves. So this is something that I think everybody should know. If you are a little bit privacy concerned, well, you can just make required diagnostics in Windows, which will make Microsoft Edge also send only the required diagnostics. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.